Hey guys, welcome to Earthit. Wishing all the super moms a very happy Mother's Day. We are going to gift her a very cute fridge magnet using air dry clay and a leaf from our garden. So let's begin. Air dry clay is one of the easiest material in which we can create anything and n number of products and mold it in any way we want, and that's going to be really quick and would be ready with half an hour to 1 hour of time span depending upon the product we're doing. Mothers are really superhumans that the nature has created for us. She is our first teacher, she is our first doctor, she is our first in everything. No matter what problem we have, the solution is definitely going to be with our mother. All we need to do is keep our mothers happy and healthy, spend time with them, get to know them. The main problem with all of us in recent days is we're too occupied with work and studies that we don't get to spend time with our parents, and that's the only thing that's missing in all of us. So, it's a kind request that all of us spend good time, quality time with our parents, get to know them, understand them, and keep them happy and healthy, because that is very, very important for us, and very importantly for our mother who has spent her whole life in guarding us, in taking care of us, in doing everything for us, in sacrificing her whole life just to take care of us. And after half an hour, this is how solid our clay is going to be, holding the shape right in place. Use acrylic colors. I have used white acrylic color over here and these two shades to create the other patterns. Gold, rose gold and copper is definitely going to enhance the art piece. You can also use metallic silver, that will also enhance your art piece when used in the right way. So just try to combine it with different color combinations that we have, and that's it. So once it's done, let's top it up with varnish and it's going to last for a very long time. So this framework can be used in two ways. Either stick a photo of your family or your mother, or you can also use OHP sheet like this to write down your messages. If you want it to be permanent, we can write directly on the mold, or that is the clay or artwork which we have prepared. But I kind of personally like to change the message every now and then, so I'm using an OHP sheet. So this way it's going to work out really well. And now the last stage, and we are almost done. We are going to stick magnets. Depending upon how big our artwork is, add the number of magnets accordingly so that the weight is equally balanced. Once we have added magnets, let's add them up with super glue. It's going to be a little clumsy, but yes, within a second or two, it's going to stick out really well. Test it up, placing it in your wardrobe or fridge if it is not going to fall off and stuff. And this is the second one, completely using silicone mold and air dry clay. You can use colors of your choice, and the base is that of a tea light holder and stuck with a magnet at the base. That's it, done. Hope this video was useful. Meet you guys in the next video. Until then, namaste.